Now dear student, we are going to discuss next question 2.13. In this question it is given to you a cube of side B has a charge q at each of its vertices. Determine the potential and electric field due to this charge array at the center of a cube. Clear? So now dear student, concentrate on a screen. Now let's suppose here we have a cube. Let's suppose this is cube. Let's suppose this is cube, clear, and here we have a charge. This is placed at the corner of this cube like this, clear, this one and this one, clear. Value of charge is given to you, this is q, and each side is given to you b. Our objective in this question is to calculate electric potential and electric field at center of a cube. So let's suppose this is center of a cube. So if we join this end, it will be look like this, clear. You can say actually this is a diagonal of this cube. So can we calculate? Yes, this is b, we can say this distance is also b. So we can first find this diagonal. This is equal to under root 2b, because this b and b is perpendicular to each other, clear, because this is 3D figure, that's why it is not looking like 90 degree, but this b and this b is perpendicular to each other. So this is under root 2b and this is also b, clear. So can we calculate this diagonal? Yes, we can apply here Pythagoras theorem, b square plus 2b square, this is 3b square, so we can write this is under root of 3b, clear. So distance of this center from each charge, this is given by r, this is equal to under root 3b by 2, clear to everyone. So first of all, if we talk about electric field due to all the charges at the center, how can we see? Listen carefully. Now let's suppose if I say what is electric field due to this charge, let's suppose 1 on this center, definitely we can say in this direction this is E1, clear. Due to this charge, let's suppose this is 2, we can say electric field in this direction, this is E2. Now you can say charge is same, distance is also same, it means we can say we will get here magnitude of electric field, this is also same, and this magnitude is cancelled out by this charge and this charge, yes or no. Same we can say for the other charges also. It means we can say at the center we will find net electric field, this is equal to 0 Newton per Coulomb, clear to everyone, yes or no. And now we are going to discuss about potential, clear. So potential, if we talk about potential, so potential means we can say this is VO, clear. VO is, we can say this is equal to, actually we have total number of charges 8, yes, so we can say this is 8 times of V1, clear. So we can say this is 8 into, we can write like this, KQ by R, clear. So now we can say 8 into 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, value of Q we have Q, and R is given, this is under root of 3b by 2, clear. From here we can say this is 2, clear, and this is equal to 4. So from here we can write like this, 4q divided by under root 3 pi epsilon naught b, clear. So this is value of electric potential at the center, clear to everyone, because q value is same, r value is same, electric potential is a scalar quantity, it always added, so we do not need to take care of direction, clear. So this is all about the solution of this question, clear.